It's day 2 at Computex, guys, Nanyang Exhibition Center. It was full on jam packed and had so much exciting stuff happening yesterday at day 1, and today also seems the same. Weather seems slightly drizzling today, but nothing to worry. We'll definitely be covering a lot of interesting stuff in this video. Starting off, we actually have something very fancy going on there from Kingston. So Kingston has actually put on their Starship number 35. It's like a space adventure themed truck over there with some mini games and interactive sessions. Let's quickly head over there and see what they're actually doing, and also try to play out that game and have a bit of fun in this video. To actually play this Kingston Starship game, we actually needed like line account in our phone. Now since I'm an international visitor, I didn't have that, but luckily the Kingston staff has helped me with like a backup phone, and now we're like ready to play this game. So I'm like excited for this.
Yeah. So your score will start from the 1,000.
Okay.
Yeah. So here you are. Then we will. There is a movie for the introduction for the business product.
Okay. So I just need to follow what they're showing. Wow, this seems very fun. So this is like a space adventure theme, very interactive game, and if you score like a couple of points, right, recommended points, you can actually win lots of goodies from Kingston. They're gonna show all the rules on the screen right now. So yeah.
And surveillance cameras.
If you want to join the challenge but you don't have Line account or Line ID, please raise your hand. You will have 10 seconds to answer each question. Please check your device, and faster and more correct you answer, the higher your score. Here we go. As a reminder, once you select the answer, you could not change it more. Wow, thank you all the Star Travelers for participating. If your phone screen shows congratulations, you have made it to the VIP team. Congratulations.
So guys, out of like 30-40 people, we finally managed to come in like under 10. So we're going for mission 2 VIP round as well.
Is a pilot who flies the hover in the sky. There is no doubt his best partner in crime.
So we're going on stage right now, VIP round. See you guys soon.
On the stage, according to your ranking and your Line ID. Welcome out. This is the final immigration mission, and please swing your toy character to win more scores to be the champion. Are you guys ready? Woo! Let's count down 3, 2, 1 to join the final mission. Let's count down 3, 2, 1. Here we go! Woo! Up and down, left and right. Wonderful, congratulations. And don't be fast.
That was real fun, man.
These two right here, you will win
For me?
Take picture.
Sure.
1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Yeah.
This is for 7-Eleven. You can just use it.
Oh, thank you. So guys, we actually won something in this round. So we got like a Kingston's water bottle and a 7-Eleven coupon for shopping. This was so much fun. Thank you, Kingston, for this amazing space theme adventure and experience. Man, that was super fun. So from there we took a shuttle bus and went to Grand Hyatt Taipei to visit Kingston's Future Hub showroom. It was a special product showcase too, organized by the brand for all the media and bloggers out there. We got to know about Kingston's extensive history, their market, all the category of different products they make. Plus, we also got to check out some of the brand new products announced at Computex 2023. The Future Hub showroom had around like 5 to 6 different zones, each categorized for a set of target audience. Like one was made for gamers, one for all the creators, vlogger essentials, and much more interesting zones. First off, let's start off at Vlogger Essentials Zone. Vlogger Essentials Zone is basically, these features on the go storage solutions from Kingston, specially designed for all the content creators out there. And the brand gave us a very first look at their upcoming XS1000 external SSD. It's an extremely compact SSD that offers great portability at pocket size, and also at the same time offers super fast transfer speeds of up to 1000 MB per second. I mean, look at this thing. Looks very compact, right? I can't wait for it it to arrive in the Indian market and review it on our channel. Anyways, they had like multiple product managers assigned at every zone who gave us like a deep dive session into their products and explained everything about the tech. So keeping these storage drives aside, we also got to check out some very interesting pen drives also. Like we got to check out their Data Traveler Max series pen drives. As the name Max suggests, they offer like super speed transfer rates of up to 1000 MB per second, guys. At the same time, large capacities of up to 1 TB in a very compact form factor. Along with the DT Max, they even showcase the Data Traveler Micro Duo 3C, which is a super tiny dual connector storage drive. So it offers both Type A and Type C connector and comes with a unique protective cap design. So it's like multi-platform compatible. You can use it with your phones, you can use it with your laptops, very useful, and offers at the same time decent speeds and comes in multiple capacity variants. In the SD card section as well, we got to check out their Canvas React Plus and Canvas Go Plus series. So the former one was designed for professional creators who shoot videos up to 8K resolution at high data bit rates, and the Go Plus series offers a micro SD card design, so they are like much more suitable for your action cams, drones, and these sort of stuff. So that was basically it at the Vlogger Essential Zone. And moving on, they also had something known as Enterprise Suite Zone, which offered products for all the big enterprises, companies, organizations, and basically server level stuff. This is the very first time I'm actually checking out server level pro grade stuff from the brand, and they look quite interesting, guys, and let me tell you why. These server grade products included their brand new Premier DDR5 memory and also some SSDs as well. So the main speciality of these products are they are like much more highly durable, guys. They're 100% tested with rigorous burn-in process to detect early life failures and ensure excellent reliability and durability over a long period of session. So over here we got to check out their Premier DDR5 memory, which offers speeds of up to 4800 MT per second and comes in capacity variants from 16 to 48 GB. Not just the RAM, there's also this special enterprise level SSD from Kingston, the DC600M. It's a SATA 3.0 drive made for high volume rack mount servers. So speciality of this server level SSD is they have like built-in power loss protection. So even in case of unexpected power failure, right, nothing will happen to the drive. And also they have like a 256-bit self encryption to fully safeguard your important data that is present on this drive. Speeds are also like pretty decent. You can expect around like 560 MB per second read and around 530 MB per second write. Now moving on, this is what you people might have been waiting for, the Gamer Ecstasy Zone. In my personal opinion, this was the most attractive zone at their showroom. I mean, look at all the gaming PCs showcased over there. These PCs were specially designed by very popular case models AK and YM and truly look beautiful up close. So basically at this section, we got to check out a couple of Renegade RAM and SSDs. Some we've already seen previously, like their Fury Beast and Fury Renegade DDR5 RAM, including their Fury Renegade SSD as well. In fact, I actually made videos on these products on the channel. You'll easily find them over there. But what I was like really looking forward to is their newest Kingston Fury series non-binary DDR5 memory. Now you people might ask like, "Arey bhai, what is this non-binary RAM? I've never heard of this." So normally you get RAM in configurations like 8, 16, 32 and 64 GB, something like that, right? But with this non-binary memory, you can even get like 24, 48, 96 GB configuration as well. So basically Kingston is offering you like more flexible choices to choose from. And not only that, they even announced like a refreshed version of their Kingston Fury series DDR4 memory at Computex 2023. So these DDR4 RAM feature a brand new heat splitter design and also has like a new RGB light bar at the top, which is like fully customizable using Kingston's Fury Control RGB software. It offers up to like 18 different lighting effects to choose from, everything via a single click of a button on your PC. So keeping the gaming lineup aside, they had something special for the creators as well, their all new White Edition memory. We got to check out the Kingston Fury Renegade White and Fury Beast as well in White Edition. Basically the specs and speeds are all the same, available in up to 7200 MT per second and capacities ranging from 16 to 48 GB. Just offers like a fresh feel, aesthetic white finish for people who are after style. Lot of people these days are into white gaming PCs, right? So you can definitely look out for this White Edition RAM. Basically basically, if you're like a content creator who does a lot of animation, 3D rendering, or maybe like video editing also, then this combination of Kingston's Fury Renegade DDR5 RAM and also their well-known KC3000 SSD offers like perfect solution for you. I mean, come on guys, that KC3000 SSD offers an insanely fast transfer speeds of up to 7000 MB per second. Okay, now listen to this. A lot of people usually know that Kingston mostly makes memory related products, maybe like RAM, storage drives, or stuff like that. But did you actually know that Kingston offers embedded solutions as well in a lot of your day to day smart living devices? This is something I never knew before, guys. So Kingston has been making embedded chip solutions, like combining their DRAM and NAND memory into a single tiny chip and supplying to a lot of global brands like Acer, Oppo, Garmin, and a lot of other brands, guys. So basically, a lot of the gadgets that we are using on a day-to-day basis, right, in our life, like maybe smartwatches or tablets or even like affordable range Chromebooks, or take into consideration action cameras and drones as well, right? You will find Kingston's technology and memory in almost every aspect of this category.
Well, that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to know a lot about this brand and products today that they've launched at Computex 2023. If you all enjoyed watching this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.